Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by loosening jaw and setting tongue position. This creates the space for the J sound. Place the tongue tip close to the alveolar ridge, then raise the middle of the tongue slightly. Keep teeth separated about 0.5 to 1 centimeter and breathe out with steady, gentle airflow. Once you feel the air over the tongue, move immediately to create the quick closure needed for the J sound. This prepares your mouth to make the voice effricate efficiently and with control. You now form the core. Begin with a SH-like constriction, then add a rapid voice stop-release. SH followed immediately by D, so it becomes J. Make sure your vocal cords engage as you release the closure. You should feel vibration in your throat. Practice by saying ya, jo, ji, jai, ju slowly, stretching the voiced part slightly, then speed up. Once done, vary vowel height and speed so the transition stays smooth. Make sure to keep airflow steady and tongue movement crisp to preserve clarity. You finish by placing the J sound into real speech. Say job, major, and joy and build short sentences that include them. Once comfortable, make minimal pair checks. Compare J to CH to ensure voicing is present. J uses vocal cord vibration, CH does not. If the sound is muffled, reduce the airflow slightly and bring the tongue a touch closer to the ridge. If it sounds like CH, add more voicing. Make sure to repeat in context until the J sound is automatic and confident.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.